Smartphone has become an integral part of our life. We can forget to eat, but we can never miss our smartphone. At present, we are seeing a craze for iPhones in India. There are many reasons why smartphone users are preferring iPhone to Android. Today in this video, we will delve into the details of the reasons why people are moving towards iPhone. These reasons discussed in the video will be my personal observations. You may agree with me or may not agree with me. But if you find the video helpful, you may support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing the channel for more such interesting videos. The first reason of using iPhone is the status symbol. The iPhone users enjoy a privilege of getting more attention than the Android users. The logo at its back has a mark of sophistication. Those who want to flaunt their smartphone always choose iPhones. Recently, the brand value of iPhones has increased by leaps and bounds. Moreover, the high price tag keep iPhones beyond the reach of average smartphone users. The second reason for choosing iPhones over Androids is its cameras. Each year, the cameras of iPhones are getting better and better. iPhone is the best when it comes to videography. No Android smartphone is able to match the stabilization of iPhone. Android smartphones shakes when you are shooting 4K videos at 60 fps. But iPhones produce a better smooth stabilization when shooting 4K or 30 fps videos or 60 fps videos. As a result of which, vlogger and content creators' first choice is always iPhones over Android. The third reason, according to me, is the processor of iPhone. The processor is another factor for iPhone preference. At present, iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max come with A16 Bionic chip, which is way ahead than its Android competitor. Even A15 Bionic, that is last year's flagship chipset from Apple, is better than Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Those Snapdragon processors are good enough to handle any task you throw at it. But when it compared it with iOS, Snapdragon processors cannot meet up the competition, whether it is game or something else. The fourth reason why people are preferring iPhones is the security. Apple has walked a long distance in terms of giving security to their iPhones. iPhones are very hard to hack. As Apple does not allow sideloading apps or root, iPhone seems to be a very secure device. Even though iPhones are not 100% hack-proof, it is the general perception of the people that hackers cannot breach the security of iPhone. So, they tend to prefer iOS over Android. The fifth reason why people like iOS over Android is the software update. Apple promises that it will give 5 years of software update or 5 major iOS update to their smartphones. But in Android, only Samsung provides 4 years of software update or OS update. So this is a major factor why people like iOS, because when they buy any smartphone, they want update for a longer period of time. And in this regard, Apple does the best job in giving security updates and OS updates to their iOS users. So these are the reasons for which smartphone users like iOS over Android. If I have missed any point, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if you disagree with me or if you want to add any point, you may mention it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. I will be posting more videos about smartphones, tablets and many other things. Thank you very much for your cooperation.